How to develop negotiation skills in business. Negotiation is a critical skill in business. Whether you're negotiating with clients, vendors, or colleagues, the ability to effectively communicate and reach mutually beneficial agreements is essential. In this article, we will explore the strategies and best practices for developing negotiation skills in business. Understand your objectives. The first step in developing negotiation skills is to understand your objectives. What do you hope to achieve through the negotiation process? This could include securing a new contract, obtaining a better price, or resolving a conflict. By understanding your objectives, you can develop a clear strategy and approach for the negotiation. Research the other party. Before entering into a negotiation, it's important to research the other party. This includes understanding their goals, interests, and potential objections. By understanding the other party's perspective, you can develop a more effective negotiation strategy and position yourself for success. Practice active listening. Active listening is a critical skill in negotiation. By actively listening to the other party, you can gain a deeper understanding of their perspective and identify areas of common ground. Additionally, active listening can help build rapport and trust, which can improve the overall negotiation process. Develop a collaborative mindset. A collaborative mindset is essential in negotiation. Rather than approaching the negotiation as an adversarial process, focus on developing a collaborative approach that seeks to find mutually beneficial solutions. This could involve brainstorming solutions together or exploring creative options that meet both parties' needs. Communicate clearly and effectively. Effective communication is essential in negotiation. This includes clearly articulating your position, actively listening to the other party, and using nonverbal communication to convey confidence and assertiveness. Additionally, effective communication involves adapting your communication style to the other party, such as using simple language or adjusting your tone to build rapport. Develop a strong BATNA. A BATNA, best alternative to a negotiated agreement, is a critical component of negotiation. By developing a strong BATNA, you can position yourself for success and avoid being forced into a bad agreement. This could involve exploring alternative options or developing a fallback plan in case the negotiation fails. Understand the value of concessions. Concessions are a necessary component of negotiation. By understanding the value of concessions, you can strategically offer and accept concessions to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Additionally, understanding the value of concessions can help you avoid giving away too much or accepting too little in the negotiation process. Manage emotions. Emotions can play a significant role in negotiation. By managing your emotions and remaining calm and composed, you can improve the overall negotiation process and position yourself for success. Additionally, managing emotions can help build rapport and trust with the other party, which can improve the likelihood of reaching a mutually beneficial agreement. Continuously improve your skills. Negotiation is a skill that can be continuously improved over time. This could involve attending workshops or training sessions, practicing negotiation scenarios with colleagues or mentors, or seeking feedback and advice from experienced negotiators. By continuously improving your skills, you can position yourself for success in